Hey guys, how you going? Right, welcome to another episode. Right, we on the caravan we're going to do some draws. I'll just show you. I've actually sort of half started some framework there, so we're going to do another draw here. So I've just started one of the draws, so I've actually got to cut that off there, down there. So we'll go cut that. We'll go cut that in the saw now, and we'll start putting this drawer together and fit it in there. front. Alright guys, I've got some spatula filler. Do some fill in the fronts. This stuff's really fine. Just going to fill up all the imperfections, all the holes. We'll end up painting this white once we do this. I'm going to let that dry and then we'll sand it back and then we'll paint it. Alrighty, it's time to paint. So here we go. I've just also just drilled the holes then, so I'd have to drill them later. So there we go. Just going to do the sides. Alright guys, I've fitted, I've done a bit of work in here and I've actually got those on. It was just too hard to video that and get them in there, so I'm going to pull them out. So I got those two there and those two. So there's all the framework there. So I just put a piece, screwed it to that, then screwed this to that, and then I cut the right size for there. That flushes that and goes to 23mm. So that's what I did there. So, just going to put you on here for a minute. Sorry for the moving. So we're just going to slide. And I had to sand the sides of these because it just didn't quite fit in that hole. So anyway, we're just going to slide these in here. It's a little bit tricky because they're greasy. So there you go. There's that one. Oh, bit of a bugger to get out. Alright, I'm just going to put this one in now. It's probably why I didn't video this because it's very awkward. So I'll pull that one out. Pull this one out. And here's this drawer. So I'm just going to guide them in. There we go. So there's the two drawers there. They look alright, don't they? Right, so here is our knobs. If you remember this one here. So just going to quickly fit these. Then we'll put the red one on the outside, the black one on the inside. I think that look pretty good. So there you go. I didn't really show you how to fit them because it's bloody raining today. Let's do that one, and we'll do this one. I'm just using a screwdriver to hold it, and we'll just do it up on the outside. It's just a doorknob. They just look really cute. Rightio. Come and get ya. How good's that? Pretty heavy duty drawers. So there's our 3 drawers. Fit a fair bit of stuff in there. Just for example. Oh, okay. Wow, I'm gonna have to glue that on. I'll glue that on. Always the way when you're videoing. I'm just gonna get some epoxy and glue that on, and then I'll go get Nick. Alright, so I've glued that doorknob on there. That should be good now. So there's our drawers. There you go. What? Out here in the shed. In the caravan.
No, you're in the caravan.
What have you got?
Oh, I've been shopping.
Oh.
Oh, what have you been doing?
I've made drawers.
Oh,
you're right.
Yeah, I'm just old. Oh, they look great. They're very thick.
It's very solid, yeah, I know. You know me.
I do know you. Far out.
They're not going to break.
No, they're not.
No.
Oh, look
what have you got?
Look what I found. Why are we videoing?
Okay.
We don't need...
I haven't seen.
Check out these containers.
Oh, they look. That's a good brand.
Really? You know container brands?
I know that one.
I don't.
System. I don't know. They look good. Do you reckon they'll fit in here or not?
I don't know.
See what you think.
I don't know.
We're just saying. Oh.
Yeah, that fits okay.
They can't go up there.
These little ones can though.
Oh, they look good.
Okay.
Oh, I like them.
Look at that. See if they fit in there. Oh, nice. There we go. Thought that'd be good for cereal.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. I think these are fitting quite nicely. Keep all the buggies out. If they tip. Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's not bad.
Happy days.
So what do you think you'll put in the drawers that I've just done?
Oh no, but bloody hell, hun.
What? What do you mean, bloody hell?
Look at that.
Yeah, I don't want them to break.
They're not going to break. They're going nowhere.
Yeah.
I know. Who knows?
Yeah, we'll work it out later, won't we?
Yeah.
Anyway,
It's good. I like the door knobs.
Yeah.
Very good.
Anyway.
You've been busy.
Yes, that took a while to make, didn't it? Everyone saw how much that took to make. It's just drawers, but it takes time.
It does.
But they're on drawer runners, so they're not just crappy ones. I will put a little latch across there.
Yeah, you'll need to.
Okay. Right, that's the end of that video, I reckon.
It's looking good.
Yeah.
We're going away.
We're not gonna. Yeah, we will be actually. We're coming.
Just gotta fix this up.
Oh, I don't really care about that again. She's on that wagon.
The back window.
Yeah, the back window and the solar. But there, look at all the storage. That's a lot of storage for a little caravan.
Yeah, well, you don't want it to be too heavy. We don't want to put too much shit in here.
There's a lot of room in here.
Yeah.
You see, I've got all the rubbish in that. I've got the fridge and got all that on. Oh, I'll show you something, honey. Yeah. I'll turn the solar thing on. That's connected to the battery.
Yep.
And then that comes on and it shows you that.
Oh, that's new. I haven't seen that before.
Yeah, but then no solar's coming in, so that's why it shows it's night time.
Oh.
But you can see what's happening, see?
What's this? What's under here?
Oh, this is a curtain so people can't see me. I'll get all paranoid.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Who's going to see you?
I don't know. I caught a little kid looking at me through the window the other day.
Oh, what?
Through there.
Oh, bull.
I was on my knees, getting down here doing this. Don't be weird. And there's this little kid. I'm looking through and there's a little kid looking at me.
I don't think so.
Bloody was. The kid was looking at me through the window. It was weird.
No.
It was weird.
No.
You know, what I was saying was there's actually a lot of storage in here for a little caravan. There's a queen size bed.
Yeah, I can see myself cracking my head against
You won't. But if you look at the caravan, it's not that big. It's only a 13-footer. Look at it. It's only little. Except you got all this room.
Well, we are big.
Yeah.
We're not little.
Anyway, I'm happy with those drawers. Are you happy? Okay.
I'm happy.
See if we can get it from the outside. Ow! Oh, gee. You squashed my hand. It's not funny. All right.
Did we learn something?
You learn something? All right. See you guys. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Look out. Oh my God.